So guys, I just took a sell on gold right now, and this is the first trade for the week. Today is Wednesday and I'm taking the first trade for the week today. So it's funny, I don't know, let's see how the play is. Like, I didn't trade the news, so there was CPI today by 1:30, but I skipped it. So it's about 2:30 right now, and let's see how it goes, guys. You know the vibe, risking a very bare minimal as usual. Although it is what it is, anyhow the trade come out to be, I take it in good faith. Let's go, guys, let's go. So guys, the trade I took, the gold trade I took, is not just moving well. So the CPI data was kind of like, I didn't like the data, number one, and number two, the market is just reacting from a particular level. I'm going to put it on the 1 hour time frame, and I don't know, I might close this trade anytime from now. Let's just see like 1 or 2 things and I might close, but I'm not letting it hit my stop because there's just no reason. I've seen reasons to close. So if I see go against me, then I think I might just take it. But that way, I'm looking at it. If I see any good reason to close, then I'm leaving the trade. Let's see how it plays. So guys, I just closed the trade. The trade is not really moving. Like New York session this today and yesterday was just absolute garbage. So I closed the trade in a very small profit. I'm going to pop it off here, and I'm going to also pop the trade. So I closed it. I'm going to come back tomorrow. It's not moving. So, and it's like it's 5 o'clock. If you don't know, 5 o'clock London session closes. So after 5 o'clock, the market will become very slow for both New York session and any other session alive. You understand? So at that time now, I don't want to be holding any trade. It's just useless. So I close the trade, and we'll see how it goes. Tomorrow we'll come back to the market and we'll do our thing again. You know the vibe. Rigs, keep your rigs. Like, carry your rigs on your shoulder. Like, make sure that's my baby now. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's keep it going, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. So guys, I just took a sell on gold. Down now. Let's see how it plays. There was a news by 1:30, so I waited after the news. The news was like my best setup, but I waited after the news and I'm taking the trade now. Let's see how it plays. I like the setup. I actually like the setup. So let's see. Trading New York again. Let's see how it goes. I will definitely update you how it goes, and you know the vibe. My free telegram is down below. That's why I post this trade. Immediately I take a trade, I screenshot it and I post it in my free telegram. If you ask me why, it's because I'm trying to document a journey here. So you understand? So if something you really like to see, because trust me, I'm going to be trading for the rest of my life. And as far as telegram remains, you understand, those trades are going to be there, and it's going to be amazing looking back in, like, let me say 10 years time, and seeing a trade I took like a particular day or time like that. It's a very amazing thing to me. So that's the main reason why I'm really putting energy in doing that thing. So it's about it. It's not a group to come and get signals. It's not that type of group. But I post all my trades there, win or lose. So let's see how it plays. I'll update you. Like and subscribe, and don't forget the platform I'm using is Myfundedfx. Yes, Myfundedfx. Something I like about Myfundedfx is their transparency. You understand? They are telling you what's going on, like so many things inside, especially now that the profit industry is shaking. So they are just letting you know if it is safe to or not. So Myfundedfx is what I use. They have a 2-phase and a 1-phase challenge, so you can pick from anyone you want, and it's also a no time limit profit. I'm not sure there's any profit out there with a time limit, but either way, let's see how it plays. So use the link down below to get Myfundedfx if you want to. Apart from that, let's see how the trade goes. Hey, keep me on. Today to make sense. So guys, the trade hit my stop loss. The trade went in profit. At some point I was up like $15, but it went back and hit my stop for $18. So we'll come again tomorrow. You know the vibe. Tomorrow I look out to see an entry, and tomorrow is Friday, by the way. It's the last day of the week. Let's see how. As for the update, I said I was going to be updating people along the video, at the end of the video. This is it, guys. This is the 10th episode, by the way. This is the 10th episode of this challenge. It's been like from 1 to 10 right now, and I'm really proud of myself for being consistent, dropping it every week, by the way. So this is the 10th episode, and guys, there is something I'm going to call a problem, but it is just a stage in trading. So the thing is this account has really not moved. Like, from all the videos, I've just been around 1% and back in break-even for 2 months now. This has been the 10th episode and 2 months now. So it's funny, I've not really moved. And this is the thing, like, it is also not the way I want trading to be, but it's also a stage in trading. You get to a point where you're just stuck, like you're always in break-even, around break-even 1%. So it's just a stage in trading. You get to some point like you just keep going up. So that's the one thing. And now the second thing is this, guys. I am not going to be posting an episode next week, and this is the reason for that. So recently I've been really doing a lot of backtesting, lots of backtesting, and not just backtesting, but I came up with an idea to draw my charts on this book. I came up with an idea to draw my charts on this book. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So to draw my charts on this book. And my reason for doing this, guys, I just want to come up with a way or a better way to see the market and take entries. And why is this? Because if you go and look at all the videos I've posted and everything, you find out that most of these trades I call, they go to my take profit. They always go to my direction, like they go to my direction, but the problem is always my entry, and that's really been a big problem for me. But that is exactly what I'm trying to fix. So with this backtesting or this research I'm doing, because I like to call it a research, so what I'm doing right now, and I'm trying to come up with the best entry or a better way to trade this market. Now my style of trading is this. I like to follow the trend. I don't care if I'm catching the trend from the beginning or from the middle or anywhere, but I just like to follow the trend of the day. You feel me? So that is exactly how I'm trying to trade. And now the third thing is this, guys. The third thing is this. The book I read for last month is this. I read this book, The Market Wizard. I don't know if you know this book. I know definitely the book is a very popular book in the trading space. So many people will know this book. So something that these traders, like these profitable traders making millions of dollars, they always preach is this. Learn how to cut your losers early and maximize your winners. What does this mean? You're in a losing position, come out, leave that trade, and like the best thing is to leave that trade. Try to cut your losses short and try to add to your winners. So you're in a winning position, you want to add to those winners, and you don't just do it foolishly, you want to do it smartly, because a winning trade can turn to a losing trade. We all know that one. But that's by the way. So I have come up with, like, I've thought of it, like I've given it an up and down thinking, everything I'm going to do in the thinking part of things. And I want to come up with a style of adding to my winning trades and cutting my losses short. So this is something I want to be doing from the episode 11 of this challenge I'm doing. So I'm posting for a week, and within this week I want to test a way of adding to my winning trades and see how to maximize my profit. So that's exactly what I want to be doing for this week. And I want to make sure, like, you know, like, see this thing, posting my trades online is not really for entertainment, guys. I know entertainment is among these things, but I care less. I'm not sure I really care about entertaining somebody. My main purpose for doing this thing is documenting my trades. I can do documenting with any other way and keep it secret to myself, but posting it online here is just a different way of doing it, and it's something I have not seen anywhere. So this is the main reason why I'm doing it. Like, I just feel like doing it, like this is something I like and I want to do it, because I've not seen it anywhere, and it's still a very dope way to do it. Looking at this thing in the future, it's going to be magnificent. To me, I don't know about you, to me it's going to be magnificent. So that's why I'm doing this thing here, because definitely, believe it or not, I'm going to be a profitable trader. Money is, I'm definitely going to make it in trading. So that's on God, that's no cap. So I want to come up with the best way, or the best way to me to make it out, you understand, in trading, to become profitable, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be coming up with, like, from my backtesting here, I'm going to be coming up with the best way to trade, which is, I'm not really changing style in trading, I'm still trying to follow the trend. So I'm going to be coming up with the best way to enter. The second thing I'm going to be doing is backtesting and checking out, like, the best way to backtesting the entries, and at the same time learning or backtesting a way to add to my winners. So that's something I'm going to be doing. And the third thing I'm going to be doing is to just come back and kill the market. So that's about it, guys. That's the announcement I'm going to be making. And next week, do not expect an episode. I post one episode every Saturday. So next week, do not expect an episode, because I'm not going to be coming up with this episode, because I'm not sure I'm going to be trading this Profem account for the week. I'm not sure. I can't say I'm not going to be trading it now. What I can say now is that I am not sure, because it's really tempting to trade. But at the same time, guys, that's about it. And we're all here to see the journey. So let's keep it going, guys. Let's keep it going. It's a very special thing I'm doing for myself. I like it. I can't lie to you. I like it so much. And let's see how it goes, guys. Let's just see how it goes. Guys, I just so go right down and you know the vibe, like risking the bare minimum as always, humble to the market. I don't want wala minimum. I also go right now, guys, and let's see how it plays. You know the vibe. Everything intact. Guys, here one thing I want to mention, the broker I use now is belleofx. belleofx, the link is down below. So regulated broker, you feel me? Their spread is really good and everything commission, you feel me? So if you think you want to change a broker and you're looking for a broker to try out, try belleofx. I'll leave the link down below for you, so you can see it for yourself, check it out for yourself and tell me what you think. The company is in Dubai, it's registered and regulated in Dubai, so you know the vibe. Everything is alright. Everything is alright, trust me. Check the broker out and tell me what you think down below. So let's see how the trade goes. I'll definitely update you. You know how we used to do it in Abi, you know, for you, say you want me. So guys, we're done for the week. The trade I just took hit my stop loss and it hit me for a $25 loss. And I was supposed to lose $20 on that trade, but I didn't know my stop loss was bigger than what I expected. Like, if I moved from trading view to MetaTrader, it had already moved more than the pip I was expecting to risk. And I still took it, but either ways I came out with just a $25 loss, which is 0.5%, and that's okay. I took 3 trades for the week and I came out with a $31 loss, so it was a losing week for me this week again. I'm taking in good faith, you understand? So that's one thing. And now the market moved directly against me. I was trying to sell the market from a level I thought it was going to drop, but it moved against me, and that was the cleanest move. If I was just a little bit more flexible, I think I would have caught this move. And yeah, it's a loss, you know the vibe. So thank God, glory be to God, my risk was managed. I managed to stay chilled, calm and everything, and I just lost a little bit, you know the vibe. That's the thing about risk management. This is what is helping me to do right now. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. You feel me? Like and subscribe, because this is the end of the episode. And like I said in last week in the clip round, I said I was not going to be dropping I'm not going to be dropping a video next week because of what I'm going to be using next week to backtest something else I'm trying to implement in my trading. So if you've watched that clip, then you know what I'm talking about. So let's see how it goes. I will still continue the episode. I'm just taking a 1 week break out of the whole thing. I keep it going, and you know the vibe, guys. Come back with more episodes, more consistency and everything. Let's keep it going. So like and subscribe, and let's keep it popping. I've said that too many times and I don't know why I'm saying it, but either ways. It's a good day. So happy weekend, guys. Till when we see again. Peace and love.